Join us at Huracan, everyone. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of JM Imports. As you can see, I'm in the waiting room, and basically today we've had a load of goodies arrive in a box, and I believe these are Huracan's for the Lambo. So let's get these boxes opened and let's see what's inside them. So what boxes do we start first? Do we start with the big box or do we start with the little box? We'll start with the little boxes, eh? See what we've got in box number one. What is it? That's it. What is it? I'll be honest with you, I haven't got a clue what that is. Right, that's number one. What we've got? Does anyone know what sort of part that is? That's one of the boxes gone. Let's get the second box open. So box number two, let's see what's inside this one, where I put my blade. Ooh, what is this? In fact, I'll just show you first and then I'll get them all laid out. Looks like we have some sort of fueling system, I believe. Door holders on that. That's box number two. We've got one, two, we've got three more to go. We're getting on to the big ones now. See you later, mate. See you in a bit.
That's great stuff, even that's just I want to try this other straight in the boot.
Box number three, what's inside here? Bearings, high performance bearings. See what's inside here. What we've got here. High performance bearings, weight boxes. Right guys, so it's time to go on the big boxes now. In front of me now, you have the second biggest box. So let's get this opened up. It's so hard to hold the camera and open it at the same time. We are now opening up the second biggest box. See what's inside here. Ooh, I see pistons. I see piston. These must be the pistons. What else is in there? Rods. We've got piston and rods. We have bearings. Don't know what these are. I'd imagine they're some sort of spark plugs. Fuel lines, I believe. I still have no idea what that is. If anyone in the comments could have a little guess. And now we have the big box open. I'm excited to see what's in here. The time has come. Let's see what's in the big box. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'll open it from this side. Oh, do I open it from this side? Oh, he's ready. Boom, look at that. believe that's made out of billet. Insane. Absolutely insane. So yeah, we've got all the parts laid out. Give you a little closer look at them all. This is all going inside Jurgen's Lambo, and it is going to be an absolute rocket. So if you've enjoyed the little unboxing, showing you some very expensive, very rare parts, stay tuned for the build, of course. Stay tuned for race wars. I'm going to try and get more videos out every day. I'm going to try and get the guys more involved in the videos themselves. It was just a little video showing you some cool car parts. What is that, Gunther? Is that not for the Lambo?
No, it's okay.
Right, so that's there. So that wasn't for that. So 4 boxes are for the Lambo.
It's really good. Raz, you know what you're going to do with this? You've got to fit this to our Huracan.
Yeah.
Are you filming?
I am filming, Jackie.
There you see,
We're live. We're live.
Right, so buddy, this is going to go on the Huracan,
This is awesome.
and this is going to be about 1800 horsepower.
Awesome.
Yeah. So Callum's been opening my parts, haven't you, mate?
Showing the world what you've been buying.
Yeah, I've tricked myself. This is my Christmas present. Thanks to Will at AMS and the guys at AMS, and also Martin for sorting me out with a good deal. So we should see this on our Huracan. Maybe it's in April, by the time we get a chance to work on it.
Do you want to talk about some of these parts, or should we save them for another video?
So we've got obviously rods, pistons. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's have a look. That's a brushless dual fuel pump system. That's so we can run ethanol. Nothing in here.
Empty boxes. I emptied the boxes.
There's maybe instructions, is it? So just check that you don't. And then we've got bearings. What we got here? More bearings. What is that? What is this? Let me open one. I think it's a bearing. Yeah, it is a bearing.
Bearings.
Yeah. Bearings. So the engine stuff. And then we've got obviously fuel lanes, ethanol stuff, fuel pressure kit. Don't know what's in here. In here we've got fuel rail kit.
Are you excited? So that I want to know.
That's a flex fuel. Is that something else in there? There's actually more parts coming. We've got billet gears on the way as well for the gearbox. We've got big clutch as well, wave track diff.
So you're going to town on this?
We're going fully out, yeah.
Oh, are you excited?
Bit nervous. But we've also got like we've got a new Haldex controller going on as well with Cyvex on that in the car as well. We're going to put some big tyres on, and we're going to hope to do like a 2.6 100 to 200 on the road, which is pretty
insane.
Fast. That's fast. That's
right?
Gonna be really fast. So yeah.
Right, well guys, that was a good day at work.
This is Callum's toy for the summer. For race horse.
This is going to be.
You excited though?
Mate, this is going to be absolute levels. Absolute levels.
Yeah.
So is that a billet plenum?
Yes, billet plenum. EMS.
Billet plenum. Man like Raz. Exciting times coming.
Yeah.
If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, and we will see yous soon.